Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com. I hope you're having a great day. I'm playing Stuck in the Middle with You by Steelers Wheels, obviously very famously used in Reservoir Dogs, Ear and all that. So I'm going to be showing you the intro part and then the rhythm guitar part. It's quite a simple song once you've got that. A couple of things to note. The actual original track has two acoustic guitars. One is dropped down two whole steps and it's played in, one whole step, and it's played in the key of E. I've decided to keep things simple, keep things in standard tuning, so I don't think you're going to want to be messing around. And actually the second guitar, it's tuned to Dadgad, so it's totally nuts, but I've tried to keep it simple for you. I hope you're going to thank me for it. Right, let's start loading the song. Right, let's look at that intro really slowly. Okay, so we're starting up here on fret 7. Now, you could just not bother with this intro and just go straight into up, down, up, and you could do that if you wanted to, but I think the intro is quite cool, so let's get stuck in. Sevens, I like to use my ring and pinky finger for these sevens. I'm on the G and the B string, okay, so that's strings 4 and 5. I don't really use the numbers, I use the letters E, A, D, G, B, E. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So sticking with that, with the ring and the pinky, we're going to go up, down, up. Just trying to strum nothing more than the bottom 4 strings. Really, you would have your E string tuned down to D for this, but it's not a deal breaker having that E ringing out. Up, down, up, and then you're going to move those 5s, those 7s, down to 5. So you're from here, just keep the fingers together, because you're going to have to change really quick in this. 2 5s, up, down, up, up, down, up, down. So it's a down on the 5s, up, down, down. And then you're going to go to a 3 and 4. Notice how I'm using my index and my middle to do that. So I've broken out of this little group of ring and pinky finger, and I've got as quick as I can to fret 3 on the B string and fret 4 on the G string. We're staying always on the same strings, which is really helpful. So again. Up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Then you're going to move that down from 3 and 4 down to nice home comfy position 1 and 2, and then you're going to do that on and up. Up, down, up, down, up, up. Okay, a bit faster. Okay, good. From there, you're going to stick with this. Up, down, up, down, up. Then you're going to lift up just the index finger and play that. Up, down, up, down, up. See, I'm lifting it up there. Then I'm going to put it back, and then I'm going to play the strings open. So that part again. Up, down, up, down, up. Putting it all together. Good. Then it repeats. But this time, so we need to get the right amount of strums. So we stick with this 1 and 2. We're going to go up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, and then up on the D. It's really, really essential that you start on an up on the D, because if you don't start on that up, you're not going to get that really cool rhythm that the song has and that groove. So do make sure that you practice that intro lick finishing with an up on the D. One last time, it's this. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then up there on the D. Up, down, up, down. and then you're into the riff. Okay, so going into this riff where the singing eventually starts, the main sort of beat that you need to understand here is up, down, up, and then you're going to hit the strings with the palm of your hand. So this technique might take a little while to get the hang of, but essentially what it is you take this part of your hand, this sort of fleshy horseshoe part of your hand, and you're just going to hit it into the strings. Now you could go and actually do a mute with the plectrum, which is another way of doing it, but it's a slightly harder thing to do, but you can try either. So the mute with the plectrum is you take the hand, lay it on the strings, and then do a thwack noise like that. You hear that? That noise. Or you can just hit the strings like this. Either way, get it into the groove of the riff. Up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit, up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit, up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit. With the plectrum strikes, up, down, up, hit. It's up to you. The plectrum strikes have slightly more presence to them, and the hits don't really have as much, but they all work. One thing to avoid, and one thing I was exploring and got some feedback from, is the fingers hitting the body of the guitar, which isn't altogether helpful for the song, but at the same time, it's not a big deal if you do, but the most important thing is that you get the groove more than anything else, okay? So one last time, it's up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit, up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit, up, down, up, hit, up, hit, up, hit. So really work on that, because it's not the most natural of rhythms, I suppose you could say, especially if you're learning guitar, all right? So it's quite challenging. So we do 4 bars of that, and then the singing starts. So we've got, well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got a feeling there's something out there. I'm so scared. Now, on the word scared, you're going to change to a G7. So the G7 is fret 1 on the thinnest string, fret 2 on the A string, and fret 3 on the thickest string. And once again, as we change from the D to the G7, I'll make sure I show you that. Did you hear that? So up, down, up, 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 G7 on the up. And you do that for 2 bars. And I'm wandering back to D, down the stairs. And then on clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right, you're going to change to an A chord. So that's fret 2 on the D, G, and the B string. And you're going to fill in the rhythm. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's as simple as that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. From there, you're going to keep that rhythm going and do a C chord. So fret 1 on the B string, fret 2 on the D string, fret 3 on the A string. Down, up, just for down, up, and then a G, down, up, down, up. Now, it all makes sense when you hear it a bit with the singing. So clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. So we've got A to the left of me, C and G, here I am, stuck in the middle. Can't get my key, but yeah, so you can hear that's how it kind of goes together. Wondering how I get down the stairs. Clowns to the left of me, C and G, here I am, back in the middle with you. Stuck in the middle with you. Okay, so the important thing there is to remove the hits and the chucks, because by doing that, when you come back to them, it will be double as effective, right? So, close to the left of me, C and G, okay, good. The only other part you need to know in the song is the little breakdown in the bridge, where it's a G7, where you're starting out with nothing and you're proud that you're a self-made man. So it's G7, back to D, and your friends are coming calling and they slap you on the back and say D. So it's a D there, and with the D you strum it and hold or count. I like to tap the body of the guitar there. And then an A7 suspended fourth, which is fret 3 on the B and the E string, and fret 2 on the D string, and strum the bottom 5 strings. Please. And then back to... Okay, so I've just realised I've been through that pretty quickly, so I'll slow down. And the rhythm for this is back to that down, up rhythm. Well, you started out with nothing and you proved that you're a self-made man. Back to the D riff. And your friends will come and knocking and they slap you on the back and say D. Then the A7 suspended. Back to... Good. So that's all the components you need. You've got your intro, you've got your verse, chorus, and the bridge. Have fun putting it all together. I've really enjoyed teaching it. Keep on playing.